Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the uniform scale option in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and if we want to use the uniform scale option, first thing first, we need to tap on the video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that now the video is active, and go to the video, the basic menu of video where the uniform scale is located, and make sure you have activated this uniform scale option. Okay, and the uniform scale is active guys, and basically if we want to use this uniform scale, we just need to tap and hold on our video like this, and you can scale it, zoom in or zoom out like this, and you can also customize the position. Okay, and if you want to rotate your video, you can tap on this icon, just tap and hold on it, and you can rotate it according to your needs. Okay, I'm just going to make it like this guys. Okay, and right after you customize the position and the rotation of your video, the position and rotate will change like this. Right guys, and that's how we can use uniform scale option in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.